Hello, I've made a video a while about the baby garter, and because I haven't found out what he eats in a while. First we tried worms, which every garter snake I've had eaten, he doesn't like them. So then we moved on to fish, and he loves them. Goldfish, he loves them. So here we go. I'm gonna put some new water in and put the 2 goldfish that I just pulled out of the pond in. Alright. Here we go. Oh, and here's his first shed that I've gotten. So, right here, you just watch him. I have to shut off the light. Take this off. Ow. Put some new water in. He's frisky, as you can tell, he's running all around. Now to put the goldfish in. I don't put the goldfish in the water though. Alright, here we go. Here's the goldfish, I don't know if you can see. Pretty bad. My hands are all wet, so I don't want to touch the camera. There he is, the goldfish. Here's the other one. Let me put on the light. This might take a while. Here's the goldfish. The snake. I'm gonna put another one in. I should have my tripod with me, but there he goes. Oh my god, he's wrestling with it. And yep. So the other ones over there will probably like die, but he'll get it. This is the first time actually seeing him eat though. Usually this is my basement, so I usually just go upstairs and stuff. So. Sorry, the glass is all blurry. So, like over there and everything. So it's hard to see him. There he is, he's beautiful. Look at him. See that? Alright. Little top view. Can't really see because of the cage. And yeah. So I'm not going to show you the other one him eating, but yeah. Oh, the fish is still flapping in his mouth. Alright, so have a good day. And I'm gonna upload some sports card videos after this, and I think I have another GPK video coming up. So, yeah.